I did a YouTube channel. I have my YouTube channel. I did a video on how to paint your room with dark colors,
Love it.
and it's got more hits than anything. I had a woman call me from New York and help me with my YouTube channel, and and so it's pretty fun to do, and it's kind of cool. It's like, yeah.
And Rick, I don't want to offend you in any way, but my guess is when you were doing that, you were kind of like rolling your eyes a little bit. I have tried to paint a room with dark colors. Stupidest mistake I ever made because I don't know anything about painting. I probably used 6 times more paint than I had to use. I didn't understand anything about base coats. Probably if I had watched your video, I probably would have saved myself $500. And it's like we take for granted the knowledge that we have between our ears here. Like even Adam with Ride Dog, even if it's not GPS tracking related, I guarantee you Adam knows more about loss prevention than 99.999% of the population. And there's probably some advice that Adam can give a small bike shop or an ATV shop that's just getting started. And gosh darn it, they're floating their credit card every month just to make payroll. They're nervous because their landlord just raised their rent. And Adam might be able to save them from getting a freaking Razor quad or whatever stolen and ruin their whole business, right? And that information is in his head right now. It's his decision whether or not he wants to share that with the world. But don't expect the world to come in and ask for it. You guys have to, like Rick did. I'm super proud of you, Rick, making that video. And don't even look at the views. Don't even worry about it. Just be like, I'm putting this out into the world.
What can you do to prove to people that Easton University can help them double their income in 90 days?
I'll prove it right now. Closing masterclass. I'll buy it for you. $300. Link in my bio. I will show you how to close. This will double your closing percentage. Not even 90 days. It will double it within 30 days. Now, here's the thing. Is your income going to double? Probably not, because you still need to prospect. You still need to put those deals in your pipeline. But if you click the link in my bio, you will learn how to close right here, right now, and you're going to close those deals that are already in your pipeline.